Hey people, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use completely free music for your YouTube channel or just for some YouTube videos. So basically, if you are worried about copyrighted music, just please don't be, because there are many options on internet which provides great music but completely free, and you can normally use it on your YouTube channel. So basically, in my opinion, best option is YouTube Music Library. So basically, go on Google and type in YouTube Music Library. After that, you need to open this website, youtube.com audio library, and on this website from YouTube you have many different music and sound effects completely free, which you can use on YouTube. Everything here is free, and what is really cool about that, you can select or search music by type of music, what kind of music is it, is happy, dark, or something else. Also how long it lasts, and eventually you can, by clicking here on each music, you can download it for free. So basically, before you select, you can listen to the music to see how music sounds. For example, if you click here, and over there you can move it forward. So basically, if you like this kind of music, for example, you just click here download, and the download will start in MP3 file, and just click save. Basically, you can do this for every music here. So basically, you can see that here we have many different types of music, and I believe you have huge selection, and you can use it normal on YouTube. So basically, I hope that I helped you with this video. Please tell me what music is your favorite one. Have you used before audio library from YouTube, and what do you think about that? Thank you. Bye.